Hey, what's up everybody? It's Clayton here at Zappos.com, and today we're checking out the Crepetray Low Boot from ECCO. This classic Chelsea boot features that premium leather upper with that sleek silhouette. You've also got the goring panels on the side that are nice and stretchy to make for a comfy stride, as well as make for an easy on and off. Got the soft leather on the inside, so it's nice and comfy against your feet. And down below, got the leather inlay sole made with the ECCO Comfort Fibre System technology to give you lots of underfoot support. You've also got the ECCO FLUIDFORM built into this bad boy to give you excellent cushioning, and that innovative ECCO Crepetray outsole is hollowed out and replaced with soft polyurethane to achieve a platform without compromising any durability. It's also going to give you excellent grip in all types of weather. So stay comfy and stylish with this awesome boot from ECCO.